If you had $10 billion, which cat would you buy? Would you buy Mark? That's a cat. Would you buy Cat in a Dog's World? That's a cat too. Or would you buy POPCAT? That's what the video's about. POPCAT right now is at around 50 cents, and we didn't have the best month. Never mind, we had a pretty good month. All of crypto went down by like 15-20% or so over the past month because, well, POPCAT is kinda debased from that. This has its own run. Even when memes go down by 10%, this goes up. All the tokens are in supply as it seems, with the max supply not being shown on CoinMarketCap, but it's will be 1 billion. Here's the thing. Most tokens have this exact era, but in a shorter time frame. They go up, down, whatever. But this thing went up and down and up and down, and up and down, 3 times so far, which is I think 2 times more often than bread, for example. Bread blobs like this, went up, and here we are. Nothing else happened. That's why I think if we have an already existing cycle where it goes up and down, then it goes up more, and then down, then it goes up again, and then down, what's gonna happen the 4th time? Probably the exact same thing. I think over the next month, 2 months, 5 months, until Bitcoin goes back to about 80k, 90k, 100k, this can easily go to like $10 billion market cap and you can get like a 20x in here. Also considering that 500 million in mean value isn't that much, if you know what I mean. Paper is at like 4 billion, Pete get 6 or 7. Dog with hat, Pete at like 4.7 billion. There's a cat. You know, you've seen the cat. I've seen the cat. You've all seen the cat. Do you see how many cats there are? It's a quality meme. Plus, when all the TikTok folks, the lovely guys that use TikTok, all the Gen Zs, join crypto and play with their Solana meme coins, eventually they want to buy some high quality memes, which would be POPCAT. When you go to the site, you can see it's now available on Bybit. It is available on, obviously, Radium and Orca, but also Bybit, Gate, Giora, MaxC, and maybe eventually also on exchanges like Binance, and Kraken, and any of the other top 5. If I were to make a portfolio of like top 5 meme points, I would say Brett, Dog with Hat, Pepe, probably Goat because it's still the number 1, and then also POPCAT for number 5. This simply being the more risky play, a more speculative play you could say, but it also has far higher outsides. We have a volume of about 10% of the current market cap, and I think it's not that difficult for this to go to like 5 to 10 billion, so you get a clean 5 to 10x in here, minimum, over the next few months. Now, I wish I just had a lot more money so I could buy more things that all of this upside potential, but I don't. Therefore, all I can say is, if you have money to invest into things, look into Doge, look into Breath on Base, look into Dog with Hat, and POPCAT for number 3, but this one being the highest return on investment and multiplier you can get considering the market cap. Take your paycheck, deposit it, give this cat your money. This is being smart with your money. It's financial advice. Listen to what I say. As a general advice when it comes to crypto, especially in coins, always take a trading pair or take the contract address and go to a site like Bex Tools or Dex Screener and look up how things perform. You can see real-life data for absolutely everything. Let's say, for example, you want to have a little pump on Solana and you want to look into the different details. You can see the market cap of 1.5 mil on the right-hand side, the liquidity, the performance over the past 24 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour for this 5 minutes, every single transaction down here for how much money people bought this for. This looks like a giant bot, by the way. If 20 seconds ago, everybody bought this for like 1 cent, but whatever. It is additional volume when it comes to this. Maybe it just boosts the token up here. You never know. Most of the time when things are trending, it's probably too late to get in because they have the initial run up and then you're just being exited with a deep, but it's still a good way to look for things. Option number 2 is if you're into things that are launching right now, go on to Pink Sale and then select your chain in the top right, where you can use, you can connect your Phantom for Solana, you can use the one in Smart Chain. There are lots of different coins that are launching every single day, where you can participate in the pre-sale. You see the current amount of money that is in there, the hard cap, the soft cap, all the details we know. And then once the token is live, you can claim it, it gets deposited into your wallet, and you can start trading, which also can mean that you will most likely lose your money, as that is what is happening fairly often. But then again, you could also hit a home run, and you could also hit this at a $100,000 market cap, and then get like a 50x in here that goes to 5 million. It's all random, but those are 2 sites that I personally use.